From the feathers on their head to the claws on their feet, Adelie penguins are magnificently adapted for a life on land and in the sea. Standing 18 inches tall and weighing up to 12 pounds, Adelie penguins are well suited to withstand the Antarctic environment. For 9 months, Adelies explore continental shelf waters in search of shrimp-like crustaceans called krill. Drifting sea ice provides a place to rest and huddle while seeking out their favorite meal. From October through January, which is the Antarctic summer, Adelies return to the islands along the western Antarctic peninsula to breed. Here they build pebble nests and raise their chicks in coastal areas safe from predators. Scientists from the Palmer Long-Term Ecological Research Project have been closely monitoring this colony of Adelies. But in recent decades, there is some troubling news. Over the past 30 years, the number of breeding pairs has dropped by more than 80%. What could cause such significant change? Studies show that since 1950, the western Antarctic peninsula has warmed by 11 degrees Fahrenheit in winter, 5 times the global average. This warming trend is decreasing the amount of sea ice that forms and shrinking the habitat where young krill grow. This puts the Adelie food supply and their breeding success at risk. Complicating matters, Gentoo and chinstrap penguins, which favor conditions with less sea ice, are taking over some of the Adelie colonies in this area. To gain a better understanding, scientists have turned their attention south, where winter sea ice is still common. There, they are tagging and observing successful Adelie breeding colonies in hopes of pinpointing the animal's response to a changing climate. Adapted to the rhythm of the sea ice, Adelies are intimately connected to a life that includes sea ice and krill. As climate changes the marine ecosystem around them, life for these Adelies is shifting, on land and in the sea.